Hi guys, today this is my first video and we're going to be playing this game. It's what the hell is the name? Don't press the button 7. And if you can see and you're not blind, those were dancing dogs. Ooh, car.
No, I want this car.
Get one at the front.
Yes, I'm in
And now we have to go down.
Hey.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I can't go down. What the hell? It's not working. Oh god. Whee! Oh my god!
I'm literally flying.
Guys, help me. Oh yeah,
I was literally flying.
we survived.
I was flying.
We survived.
Failure.
Banana peel.
Oh. I was literally flying.
Oh, new Bobby.
Only noobs can go on this obby. Get it? Because it's a noob obby. So only noobs can go on it.
No!
Hey, you're not a noob.
Bro, I always complete them. I don't know why now. The one time I'm on camera doing this, I lose.
Gosh. Here's the shop.
I got a new phone, so I'm still trying to get used to it.
Yeah.
What? Oh crap.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
The best way of surviving is getting on top of the
No,
house.
go in the house. She can't get you there. Banana peel.
Oh, in the house.
Banana peel.
Now we can just slip over as much as we like.
Banana peel.
Ow.
Okay.
I'm
You know what? I
doing
don't want to be too fast because I feel like I'll mess up. So but we're not fast anymore, so we don't have to worry. We can look like Flash, but
This is dumb.
I'm slipping over my own banana peels. Okay. Oh, it's the coffin. It's the coffin.
And don't worry about the coffin. Just get
Coffin.
coins.
No. I want to be the last one. Yes, I'm in the coffin. Do 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 do. There's no coins left. Do 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 do.
Because I got all of them.
The floor is lava. Coin. Yes, 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 yes. Give me the yes. Get in. Boom.
Yes. I made
Someone's
it.
got to slip on a banana peel. Someone, please, please, please.
I'll slip over it.
Actually,
What?
you slipped into the lava.
Oh.
Lol.
That is weird.
Oh, we'll flash again. Die.
Die,
Potato.
Flash, die.
Die, potato. Ooh.
Hey! Well, it looks like we do want to get the coins.
Coin.
So we basically have to be Flash. I pressed the button.
Ah, alien invasion. Ah.
Why is
Alien
all the
invasion.
aliens are teaming up on me? All the aliens are
Alien
teaming
invasion. Oh my god. There's like a whole bunch of them. None are chasing me, so that's good.
All of them are just after me. I hate this.
Coin. No, 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 no. Oh, another coin. Oh, I missed it.
Yes, we survived. All
Taco.
that matters is
It's
survival.
raining tacos from out of the sky.
least I have a
Tacos. No need to ask
At
why.
least I have
Just
a
open your
pizza.
mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. Out of the streets, tacos.
Hey,
Kitty.
I'm rich.
Ah!
I'm rich. I'm rich.
Get the coins. You gotta jump.
Yes, I got a coin.
No! I was so close. Oh, well, it'll flash again. Please, please, please.
Yeah, I got a coin.
Beware of the tsunami.
Oh, my screen.
Oh, everyone's so fast so they can't get up the ladder. How is that guy actually doing it? Oh no, he's not doing it. Because he's... That's why you never want to be too fast. Because you could fall off. Do. I wish I could chat some...
What?
I wish I could...
I was climbing.
I wish I could dance right now, but the record thing to record it is in the way, so I can't do it, or else I'll have to end my vid. And I don't want to end my vid, so I'm not. Green platform.
Yes, I got the coin there.
I got a blue. Bro, why is there so many people going to the red? Are you blind? Are you colourblind? You donuts. Korea. Oh god, I literally fell off straight away.
I didn't. Well, I did pretty well from today. I didn't collect any coins. 5 Robux.
Elliot,
Donate. I don't want to donate. Like a donut.
why is it not working? Get to the top. Oh, Mario! I just want to be Mario. Mario. Probably because there's a new Mario movie. Wait, how do we get up?
I don't know.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Yes. Yo, no! No, I literally bottled that like Arsenal.
Oh.
I literally oh no. Oh, but at least I can turn into an Among Us.
I want to turn into the blue.
I want to turn into I'm going to turn into the yellow so you know who I am. I am the yellow Among Us. I am sus. Yellow
red
Among Us is not sus. I am... Ah! Oh my god, I almost fell.
And not yellow.
Trampoline! Obby! Oh no! So close. No.
Yes, I did it. I did all of it.
No.
Oh, I fell.
Bottled it again.
I fell off.
Oh shoot. She's going for me already. No, I want to be out. Oh my god, I literally just bounced for some reason on top of the house. I'm in. I literally for some reason bounced on top of the house. Everyone watching saw that. So, oh god.
Why does someone love slipping over bananas?
I think that's you.
No.
Oh my god, why am I jumping so high? Think fast. Why can I jump so high?
I don't know.
Are we still on the trampoline? Wait, what? I just died.
Yeah, I survived.
For no reason. The floor is lava. Wait, I can't move. I'm still winning though, even though I was glitching for a few seconds. I still won even though I was glitching.
Yes, I did it.
Dee. Let's go. You recording a video?
No.
Oh, that's sad. Why were you not?
I'm recording now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I can't.
Do 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 do.
Oh, it's the coffin.
Yeah.
Just stick around with the coins, bud.
Maybe we should. Maybe in our next videos. Do 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 do. Do do.
Recording.
We're 10 minutes
Okay,
in.
guys.
Choose a colour. I'm going yellow.
Welcome back to Joe.
Come on.
Button 7. This is
Yellow.
my first time playing this.
Oh, you finally recording. Yellow. Yellow.
Right.
Yay!
Oh! How did
Boom.
my brother get that right?
Because it's easy.
But
Ah!
that was never wrong.
Get the coin. Get the coin. Get the
I wanted that coin.
Elliot, it doesn't really matter. It's one coin. Oh, I'm close to get. No, I was so close to getting 360 coins, man. Oh, I dodged the laser. I'm good at this. I think I was the only one to win this last. And of course, I died. Why am I so bad when I record? Literally, I've won.
I did good.
No, you didn't. Because you're. Well, why are you up there then? Watch out for the rocks. Wait, what rocks? Oh, those rocks! A few. Get the coins. Oh. 361 coins.
I pressed the button.
Pizza! Pizza! Boom. 364 coins. Let's go. I'm rich, guys.
There we go. I got that coin.
There's so much
68
pizza.
coins.
There's so much pizza. 365 coins. That's the same amount of coins as days in a year. Oh, wait, I can't. Oh, there we go. Ooh. I normally win this, you know.
Well,
Dun, 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 dun,
you
dun, dun.
can win with a ball. So what if I was the ball?
No, what? Oh, my God. That's so unfair, man.
Ow, I fell.
Oh.
I did do pretty good.
No, I hate being flashed now.
Yeah.
It's too fast. Imagine it, the tsunami on the next one. We're not going to be able to win that then. If we're too fast.
And someone just got a coin when they were flat.
See, rocks. Watch out for the rock. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I couldn't even move.
Oh yes. Get in.
I couldn't move.
Let's go, man.
This is amazing, bro. I love
Oh, get to the top. I'm going to go Mario.
Yeah, I
It's me. Let's not bottle this like Arsenal this time. Bro, you idiot. Oop, coin.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, I tried.
Yes. Wait, did I bottle it like Arsenal? And no, I didn't bottle it like Arsenal. Let's go.
Aw,
Suey.
stop.
What? I'm me, Mario. Banana. Next to a banana.
No,
It's a banana next to a banana.
big banana.
Oh, this is the same one. Ah.
Got the coin.
What? Ah! That was terrible.
I literally bounced on when I was.
I always win this one. Why am I so bad at it now? God.
Well, you can't win every time.
Yeah, but it feels like I can't win on camera, can I? Because I literally won everything when I wasn't on camera. And now I'm literally falling every time. So, sad.
Are you still on camera?
Yes. Survive, Jenna! Hurrah! Get into the house. Oh, I want to be Mario. Mario. Well, you're not Mario as well.
No,
So.
but I don't want to be Mario.
You don't want to be Mario.
Yeah.
You little... You don't want to be Mario. You poo.
Stop.
You poo. You know what you deserve?
What?
That.
Good.
You slipped 5 times.
No,
Like 5 times. Yeah, I want to dance, which makes me dance like this, but I can't because the recording is here, and if I try to go and chat, it will end. So...
No.
Oh, get to the top. I'm going to be Mario again. Yes, didn't bottle it this time. Ah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna win. Wee. Yeah, Mario is the winner. Yippee.
Oh, I did it as well.
You got to the top, but I got all the coins before you.
Yeah.
And I won because I am Mario.
Well
Have you
done.
guys seen the new Mario movie yet?
Oh, I'm on the rocket. Oh,
I'm on the rocket, Arthur. Have any of you guys watching seen the new Super Mario movie? It's so cool. Watch out for me. What the heck?
Oh, I'm just flying everywhere.
I think it won't go in the middle, so I'm going in the middle.
Yeah.
Bro, Mario even blinks. It blinks. Yeah, that's cool. Mario blinks. Look at this, guys.
This is easy.
It's me, I'm Mario.
74 coins.
Ah, space rocket. I'm stuck in the space rocket. I'm in the space rocket. I'm in the space rocket. Oh.
You
I
can't
fell.
go in there.
Well, I literally
Or
glitched.
else you'll die.
Elliot, I literally glitched in there and then glitched out. Let's go. Go to the red platform.
Is everyone blind? No.
No, no one's blind. Oh my god, you blind man. That guy's a blind.
Yeah.
It's you, blind.
It's me, Pooh.
Oh god. Who the hell is Voorhees?
I don't know.
Oh
We'll
no.
have to find
Oh, he's from that scary movie.
Oh.
I forgot what it is.
Don't.
No, you poo. You poo.
And I wonder if you can turn. Into...
Elliot, there's another coin that you missed. Watch out for the rocks. Oh! Oh, I literally jumped over it and I still died. Oh.
Because you're not allowed to jump over them.
Oh. It was literally so little. It's a banana next to a banana.
No, you're so big, banana.
Banana. Space rocket. Space rocket. Everyone's trying to get on. Oh, I'm on. Oh, I fell.
Ah.
At least I didn't die. Let's go. Survive Jeff, the killer. It is Jeff AFK? Oh no, he's not.
Oh my god. No.
Oh yeah, he can come in here, obviously, yeah. Oh, he's chasing me. Why me? There's so many other people that you can chase. You choose me. You bloody donut. You donut.
Oh.
Ah! Oh my god, how did I survive that? By jumping. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I died by a millisecond.
I see the train.
Dancing dogs, whoop, 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 whoop. Dancing dogs, whoop, whoop. No! Oh, I glitched. Bloody hell. I glitched. Sad.
No.
Ah. Beware of the tsunami. Ah. I'm gonna win and get all the coins before all of you guys.
Ow! I didn't even stand a chance, guys. And,
No, what?
And don't forget, if you subscribe,
Oh my
you get a donut, but only when I get donuts.
But you get... no, guys, subscribe to me, because if you subscribe to me, you get a big cookie. And cookies are better than donuts.
No, they aren't. But only if you're allergic to both, then you don't have to.
I don't even know if you can. Oh, skip the lasers. Oh, yeah, boy. Ah.
I died.
You died, sad. Who the hell is this guy, man? Oh, yeah, he's from the movie. It's the same person. How did I forget? Oh, Jesus Christ. It's good I didn't go for that coin.
Warheads.
Voorhees. Aww. Literally, he can kill you in one tap.
Yeah. Impossible.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Get to the top to collect the item.
Oh, this is extremely hard.
Oh god, this one's hard. Why did I go for the hardest one? How am I still alive? Because I'm a pro, that's why. Oh, and I just died. Of course I did. And I lose that straight away.
Oh, I didn't do the right tower.
No, I'm so trash at this. I can't move, what the hell? I hate this one, but it's getting boring to be honest. I just want a good challenge.
I just want to slap him in the face.
This one's boring as well. Okay guys, I am going to go and I will see you in another video, probably
Okay,
another Roblox
guys,
video. So,
bye.
bye.